Sam's shower.
Wow, that is so cold. Thank you. I didn't even get like a little bit of the joy of the hot water.
That's how the end of my shower felt. No camera, no camera, no camera. Now that I'm actually ready for the day, I can chat a little bit. Last we left you off, we were just arriving to Crested Butte, and we are actually still in Crested Butte. We have been here for the past week, and it's been so nice after so many days, oh my gosh, I can't open this, of driving from Southern California to Colorado to be able to just kind of like chill out for a week, get work done while we're here, explore this town that we loved so much when we came here about 2 years ago. And today we have so many things on the agenda, we thought it would be fun to actually film it all. We're going to a different town here in Colorado, so come along with us. But first thing first, let's go into town and get some coffee. Ladybug socks today. Walking around with wet hair is such a vibe. I was gonna get iced coffee, but it's a bit too nippy out. Go get some warm coffee. We are off to a local coffee roaster. We went here the other day, it's really good.
We got our coffees. I mean, even though we have an espresso machine in the van, we were kind of low on power, so I mean, what are you supposed to do?
Oh my gosh, guys! This is my dream. Little dog, big dog. It's always the little ones. I got my vanilla soy latte. Sam got house drip coffee with honey and soy. And it was only $2.50 and mine was $7 motherfucking dollars.
And a snickerdoodle.
You see those tennis courts over there? We've been playing multiple times since we've been here. Should we talk about the time that I beat Sam 6-2?
But you know who won first, Callie?
We don't need to talk about that. Trying to fit our shoes back in. It's always a struggle.
Is it not gonna fit in there?
Look, how are we gonna fit this?
I think they're just gonna have to live outside. They won't fit in there.
No, I know what I would do.
Oh my god.
I will put them in Sunny's crate. No, I'm just kidding. Put them in the laundry. Well, we were going to fill up water because I took a shower today, so we wanted to top it off before we go to our next town, but it is raining right now and we don't really want to stand in the rain while we fill up our water, so I think we're just going to risk it and keep on going. I know I said in the last video that I don't love washing my hair in the van, but desperate times come with desperate measures, and there's just no Planet Fitnesses around for me to wash my hair.
Or any shower whatsoever.
Yeah, and I actually do like using our shower when it's hot out, like during the summertime, but today, as you can see, it's a little bit chillier out, so I wasn't so looking forward to it, but it needed to be done. We have a 2.5 gallon electric water heater, which means that I literally only have 2.5 gallons to do it all. And a normal shower takes, how many? And a normal shower takes 17 gallons of water. So I'm trying to do all of that in 2.5 gallons. So it's tough, but I can do it, and I did. And now my hair feels so good.
Bye, Crested Butte.
Bye.
Bye.
We'll be back. Look at the dog.
I don't know if that's safe.
So we have 2 hours until our first destination that we're taking you to. Got slippy!
Oh, it stopped.
Traffic! We have 1 hour left. We're hungry. If I had service, I would look up something to eat in the town we're about to go to, but I can only dream. I can only imagine. What do you hope is in the town we're about to go to eat? Something fast foody, obviously.
Oh, of course. Maybe like a Chipotle?
That's what I was thinking.
Because I think you still have a gift card, right?
I still have $7 left on my gift card.
$7 off. So I just looked it up, and unfortunately there's no Chipotle in Montrose. So looks like while we're stuck at this random traffic stop, Kelly's gonna just start making some food.
We're moving. Ooh. Breakfast for Sam, breakfast for me. My pants are unbuttoned. I don't know what's happening out there, but it's steamy. There's a lot of construction workers. What is happening? Can I have a dishwasher on aisle 3? Go boy!
Save water, live longer, have a dog.
We just went into the visitor center of Black Canyon of the Gunnison National Park, and we finally got one of those little national park passport booklets that we've seen. And of course, I did it upside down. Oh, of course. Looked at it to make sure it was right.
It's great.
I even checked to make sure I wasn't going to. Now we are going to go on a dog-friendly hike. One of the only dog-friendly hikes in this national park. That's one thing that's really hard with national parks, is finding anything that is dog-friendly. So let's check it out. And hopefully it doesn't rain on us while we're there. Breaking in my new hiking shoes for the first time.
Same with me.
They say that they are waterproof, so.
Look, these are so new, it's still got the tags.
So, was it the most beautiful national park we've ever been to? No, but they don't all have to be. But we're trying to go to more national parks. I don't know how many we've been to at this point. Still worth it to come.
It's raining. Tony!
Get out of the way!
Tony, move!
Thanks, Sam, for always doing the gross chores.
Of course, madam. Now we're going to Montrose. It's a town in all of these little mountain towns that actually has like nice conveniences like Targets, grocery stores, chains. Every other mountain town is just purely local. We're gonna try and take advantage of that and get some groceries and some other errands.
We just came back from Qdoba, which we just discovered is the greatest restaurant to ever exist. But this is what happens when we leave Sunny alone. Slobbers all over the windows.
Look at that.
Because he has so much anxiety, he's just going like the whole time and just slobbering. And we've done everything we can. If you have any advice for severe anxiety, please let us know. Because we've also crate trained him, of course. But that almost seems to make it worse. And we've crate trained him a lot. He sleeps in his crate, he likes his crate, but he can't handle it.
We were gone for maybe 10 minutes. He's only chill when he's with another dog.
Interesting parking job. I don't know how I'm gonna get in there. Oh, bye. Okay, so we just went to 2 grocery stores to stock up because we are going to Telluride, which is notorious for having one of the most expensive grocery stores that we've ever been to. So we stocked up and we spent so much money at Target accidentally. So I'm not really sure if it would have been cheaper just to go to Telluride.
And now we are 1 hour away from Telluride.
Woo!
So we just got to our spot. This is actually the first spot that we ever camped in the van. They're like, wow, like this is absolutely insane. We're in the mountains of Telluride. They actually like cleaned up the road. The road used to be pretty bad, but it was actually like extremely smooth. Any rig can come up here, which is actually really cool for our future. One thing I do want to say, there's an incredible spot in the corner that's not taken over here, but there's literally just like a mat that's there and like a couple water jugs and stuff to like save the spot. And I think that's just kind of rude. If it's a free spot, it's first come, first serve. If you leave your spot, that should be it. At least have a tent set up. It's literally just a mat and a water jug. But we're just gonna make some dinner, chill, and explore Telluride tomorrow. Leaving our free campsite to head down the mountain and into Telluride. I don't know if Kelly has a seat anymore.
Tongue scraping before we go.
Tony, what do you think of your mother's tongue scraping abilities? You like it?
Wow, you're gonna leave this on the counter? A fresh jar of tahini?
I didn't see it. I see a rig in this lot that looks very similar to what we'll be getting soon. That's getting me excited. Are you excited about whatever might be happening?
Are you excited about what's gonna happen? Look, ready? Yes, I am excited.
We're just working on a couple more things and hopefully we can tell you guys in the next video what's actually going on. Finally, this has been months in the making now. Anything that takes a while is worthwhile. We forgot to close the bungee cord, so just realized that the entire drive, this drawer was just chilling. But that's okay, because we are in a beautiful place. The free parking in Telluride. I think our place feels and looks like shit right now, so we are going to do a quick cleanup before we get into town.
Ooh! Reg number 3. Get the anger out. Shout out to my mom for getting us a new broom. This was our old broom. We had to be on our hands and knees.
We're going hard.
We're never leaving. We cleaned out the van. We had a phone call. I got dressed. Now we're gonna make food. At some point we will leave, I promise.
What time is it?
I'm not saying. We got up early to get a fresh start on our day.
It's time to get our favorite coffee spot.
We also already booked a training session with supposedly a separation anxiety expert training company. So we're on top of it, you guys. We are going to show you 2 free things to do in Telluride while you're here. We love it here so much and you're about to find out why. Already spelled? Yeah. Little treat. It's National Dog Day. Gonna get a hit for the first time. I got my usual iced soy milk latte, sugar-free vanilla, because I'm a lady. Still hits.
Just as good as 2 years ago?
Now that we have an espresso machine, it's hard to be as obsessed with other coffee shops, but iced coffee is a luxury because we barely have any ice in the van. It's right next to the gondola ride. Yeah, right.
After After 13 minutes on the free gondola, we've made it to Mountain Village. Mountain Village is like kind of the ritzy, expensive resort area of Telluride. It's just like a big open square. And this is where they come to ski and bike as well.
We just did a quick little loop around Mountain Village. It's very expensive up there. Someone's happy to go home.
Sunny.
Oh, go.
I'm not ready. Go inside.
Oh heck, itchy face. Even when he doesn't wear his gentle aid, he does this now. Rub it up. We just got back. There are some, oh my gosh, Sunny. There are some kind of nasty looking clouds in the sky right now, so we're a little worried it's gonna rain. And our next activity, we wouldn't love for it to rain in. So we're gonna wait out this weather situation because afternoon rain is super common in these small Colorado mountain towns, and we will catch you at our next activity.
I'm a son. Forever and always be your son. Good morning, everyone. We are so stoked to be back here at one of our favorite campsites that we've ever been to. It's right on the top of a mountain overlooking the beautiful mountains of Telluride. It honestly just feels like we're in Switzerland. I tell you, Crested Butte, Telluride, you could just tell me it's Switzerland and it looks the exact same. Now we're packing up, getting the van ready to drive, and we're going to be going to one of our favorite hikes in all of Colorado, which is also the biggest waterfall in all of Colorado.
Been driving for a minute now. The parking at the base of the trail is quite packed. Oh my gosh, what luck.
We somehow found the spot right in the parking lot, even though people are parked down for probably almost a mile down. So super great way to start this hike. We just made some food. 2 miles up, 2 miles down.
2 miles up, up, up.
It's rated moderate. Scratch that. It is raining. The second we opened the door, it started raining. It seems to be raining every single day, even when the weather app says there's no rain on the forecast. So we're going to try and just do some work. I wait the rain out and we'll give it another go in an hour or so. I really want to do this hike.
Me too.
We'll see you in a little. The sun is coming out. We are not letting this be a bus. We are going to go on the hike. We're going to take our chance and we're just going to send it.
We're hiking to there. So we waited out the rain in the van and look what it brought us.
It's so beautiful.
So much sunshine, absolutely perfect weather. A bit muddy, but no problem. Here's the first waterfall. Drink from the waterfall. The boys are drinking from the water. You happy? Now to fall number 2. It's all entirely uphill, but it's not too long, which is good.
It's just like a full-on workout for 2 miles.
Okay, I'm definitely sweating, but I hear the waterfall.
I think we're here.
Oh my gosh.
One more.
This is the second waterfall. Okay.
Wow, that hike is so much harder than I expected.
And it's really not that long. We've done way crazier, but it'll make you sweat. But we are here. Oh my gosh, the sun is out even more now. Look at all these wildflowers so late in the year too. Making our way back down the mountain. Woo! Parking lot. Ah, home sweet home. Best part. Oh, we made it back.
Woo, thank you.
I am so glad that we waited out the rain and ended up doing that hike again, because we did that hike when we first came here 2 years ago on one of our first van life road trips. It's just as magical the second time. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope we made you smile, get your mind off of things for a little bit.
Hopefully in the next video we will be finally explaining what we've been planning for the last 4 months.
So we love you guys and we'll see you in the comments.
Bye. What is going on here? Did that hike kill us or what, Cal?
Why are we so tired?
It literally feels like we did a hike on the Camino.